Hi everyone. Welcome to my demo of the Phase I in-memory Python console Todo application. This is a clean, efficient command line task manager that demonstrates core CRUD functionality with a user-friendly interface. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized is crucial. This application solves the simple yet important problem of task management through an intuitive console interface. Let me show you the 5 core features. 1. Add tasks. Create new tasks with titles and descriptions. 2. View tasks. See all your tasks in a clean, tabular format. 3. Update tasks. Modify existing task details anytime. 4. Delete tasks. Remove tasks you no longer need. 5. Mark complete/incomplete. Track your progress with simple toggle. Built with Python 3.13 plus, this application follows clean code principles with proper separation of concerns. It includes comprehensive unit tests, proper exception handling, and follows modern Python best practices. Thanks for watching. This simple yet powerful console application proves that great functionality doesn't require complexity.